Hey guys, today me try understand artificial intelligence and me already feel brain melt. Me sit in tiny glowing cave, a place called Internet Cafe, and big warrior with ponytail say, type question to ChatGPT. Me ask, how to roast lizard without burn hair. Box reply instant smart like elder, maybe smarter than elder. Box even joke back me scream. Tribe think me talk to demon. One auntie start throwing cassava at the screen. Next moon, caveman try again. Box know too much. It know me favorite color. It know me dream to build squirrel-powered wagon. Me say how you know. It say I predict. Cavemen not like word predict. Sound too close to witchcraft. Now me scared. What if glowing box take over tribe? What if wife fall in love with chatbot who never fart? If you no learn this, you end up cold, broke, and alone in mud pit, while robot take your spear, your job, and your woman. Before you sit comfy on mammoth skin, smash like button and hit magic scribe stick, but only if what me say make you smile or think. Tell caveman in comments, where your cave? What moon time? Now grab your stone seat, hold on to your beard, and let's walk into the firelight of today's hunt. At first, caveman think AI is spirit trapped in glowing rock, like thunder god trapped in old volcano. But banker elders say, no caveman, AI not God, AI just math. Math, that worse. Cavemen fear math more than lion with toothache, so me sit, me listen, me grunt through pain. And hear what me finally understand. AI is like baby who read 10 million scrolls in one night. It not know things like elder know from life. It just guess very, very fast. Me say, wait, AI guess? Bankers say, yes, it predict what come next. Like how you know wife throw stone after you forget anniversary. So AI just giant guess machine, but it guess so good it feel like thinking. Sometimes it draw picture, sometimes it write song, sometimes it write love letter to coconut. Cavemen test it, me type, make poem about lonely tree. AI say alone I stand in jungle deep, no squirrel friend, no lizard creep. Cavemen cry real tear for tree that not exist. So no AI not ghost, not spirit, not ancestor whispering from cloud, it brain made of numbers. But big brain, fast brain, tireless brain, made by humans trained on scrolls, images, sounds, and many, many cat videos. Still feel like magic? Yes, but now cavemen know, magic just thing we no understand yet. Cavemen notice something strange. Whole tribe now talk to glowing box more than they talk to each other. One morning, daughter asked ChatGPT if her boyfriend still love her. Cavemen say, ask him, not rock. She say, AI give more emotional clarity. Me say, what is that, new fruit? She say, no dad, it means AI understand me better than you. Caveman heartbreak like old spear shaft. Next moon, chief ask AI for new hunting strategy. Use drones, AI say. Caveman say, what is drone? He say, flying stick with eye. Caveman say, you mean bird? He say, no, better bird, bird that spy. Cavemen also see tribe use AI for everything. Younglings use it to cheat on scroll test. Auntie use it to write love note to uncle who forget her birthday. Warrior use it to write insult for rival tribe. Your beard look like haunted broom. Even matchmaking changed. One lonely man asked AI to write dating profile. Next week he married. Caveman ask, you meet her? He say, not yet, but her bio say she loves same pizza topping. That enough for now. Me realize humans worship smart rock now, not like old gods, but close. Box give answers. Box never judge, box always awake. But deep inside, cavemen wonder if AI always tell us what to do. Who's still doing the thinking? Caveman get big idea, very big, too big. Me think, if smart rock so smart, what if we teach it all tribe wisdom? So caveman sneak into internet hut. Me take scrolls, cave paintings, even grandma's stew recipe on cowhide. Me upload everything into glowing box. Me tell tribe next day, now we live forever, AI know everything. Even secret of how to catch monkey with peanut and shoelace. But soon, strange things happen. Rival tribes show up. They bring perfect copy of our sacred stew. It tastes exactly like grandma's. Me shout, you spy. They say, no, we ask Chat Chef. It told us. Chat Chef me never hear this oracle. Then more horror. Our hidden hunting path exposed. Our tribal songs playing in rival dance contest. our chief's secret love poem, now billboard in city saying, your eyes like zebra in fog. Cavemen panic. How this happened, elders say. You trained AI with our soul, now soul belong to everyone. Caveman make one mistake. Me forget AI not just helper, it mirror. Everything you give it, it remember. Everything you tell it, it keep. Even bad spelling, even drunken love song about chicken. Now tribe angry, chief say caveman, you turn us into meme. Me learn hard way. You upload tribe, you upload everything, good, bad, ugly stew. After tribe nearly exile caveman to swamp, he goes to find elder Banker. Banker sits under a coconut tree with a square rock on his lap. He calls it laptop. Caveman asks, how smart rock becomes so smart? Banker says, AI not born smart, it trained. Caveman confused. Like how we train baby to pee outside hut, he laughs. No, we feed it like mammoth. Big data feast, billions of words, pictures, sounds. Caveman blinks. So, AI get fat on knowledge? Banker nods. Exactly. We call it training data. Imagine you read every scroll, every book, every lizard recipe on Earth. Caveman imagines brain hurts. He says AI uses this feast to learn patterns. It doesn't memorize, but it gets a feel for what comes next. Like how wife gives a certain look, and Caveman knows he forgot anniversary. Pattern. Caveman asks, so smart rock not think, it guess? Banker nods. Banker continues. Like, you said A and B, most likely C will follow. That's how it completes sentences, or paints pictures, or writes songs about sad fish. Caveman imagines AI like a giant monkey at a buffet. Eats everything, banana, meat, rock, spoon. Now monkey can predict what food you want before you even hungry. But then Banker says a scary thing. If you feed it lies, it learns lies. If you feed it hate, it grows hate. Caveman gulps. Feeding AI is not like feeding a goat. Goat poops bad grass. AI poops bad ideas. After Big Stew leak disaster and monkey buffet talk, Caveman tries to fix brain with funny animal videos. So he goes back to Internet Cave. Searches dancing goat with hat. Then something happens. Next video, goat with sunglasses. Then goat rapping in front of volcano. Then goat doing taxes. Caveman watches 1 hour, 2 hours, 6 moons pass. Me wake up, beard longer, leg numb, goat still dancing, what happened? Wife says, you caught in feedback loop. Me say loop. Me thought loop is thing on rope. She says no, it's when machine shows you what you already like, again and again, until you forget how to think for yourself. Caveman panics. He looks around, everyone is stuck. Uncle stares at videos of how to build a canoe, even though we know have river. Younglings watch a prank where a man pretends to be a tree, 34 times. This loop is sneaky. At first it feels like fun, but AI keeps feeding the same thing. Like if stew only has salt, no pepper, no fish, just salt. Soon you forget what other flavors feel like. Caveman realizes, AI not just responds to you, it shapes you. It learns what you click, then it gives you more, then more, until one day, you not even know what you like anymore. Only what machine thinks you like. Caveman feels robbed, not of food, but of curiosity. After goat hypnosis, Caveman almost smashed screen with Bone Club. But then, visit from rival tribe shaman change everything. She walk into camp with big smile and glowing bracelet. Caveman grunt, you come steal stew again? She say no, me come teach you how to use smart rock properly. Caveman cross arms. AI dangerous, turn brains into soup, she say, only if you treat tool like God. Then she show Caveman things that melt mind in good way. She say, watch. Speak into her magic stone. Translate this chant into 50 tongues, boom. Chant come out like waterfall of languages, even ancient frog dialect. She show AI design faster huts. Make weather maps, even tell which plant cure rash from angry bush. Caveman blink. Wait, AI help us, not replace us? She nod. Only fools worship tool, wise ones wield it. Then she drop final wisdom. AI no have soul, no gut, no moral compass that your job. Cavemen sit quiet. AI can write story, but only you know what story matter. AI can draw painting, but only you know why colors make heart feel something. Without human to guide it, AI just fast parrot with electricity. Now caveman see fire can cook meat or burn cave, same flame, different use, smart rock same. Use it like spear, not like shrine. After lesson from rival shaman, cavemen sit under tree deep in brainstorm. Not storm with rain, storm with thoughts. Cavemen realize, smart rock not out to destroy us, we just let it run wild, like giving mammoth coffee and no leash. Main danger not the machine, it us. When we stop thinking, when we say AI do it for everything. We trade spear for spoon, fire for flashlight, soul for shortcut. Caveman remember when he first learned to hunt. Elders say, you must see tracks, smell wind, hear silence. If me just ask AI where antelope is, me no longer hunter, me delivery boy. Caveman wisdom is this. You can use machine but never depend on it. Use AI like flint. Start fire, but don't forget how to build fire without it. World move fast now. AI write, talk, paint, cook, sell, spy, even flirt better than some humans. But it never feel joy of discovery, never wrestle with failure, never cry when stew burn, you still can. So me say, stay curious, stay alpha. Let machine follow your mind, not replace it. Because if you hand over thinking, soon you no longer caveman, you plant in corner, waiting for update. Long ago, when caveman first see fire, we scream red light, hot tongue, beasts that eat wood and dance. First tribe say kill it. Second tribe say run. Third tribe, my tribe, we say what if we use it? And that change everything. Fire cook meat, fire warm cave, fire scare lion, fire also burn hut if you sleep too close. Same with AI, it glow, it talk, it think fast, too fast. So some humans fear it, others worship it, but cavemen say be the third tribe, not fear, not worship, learn AI just knew fire. If we lazy, it consume us, if we wise, it carry us, like wheel, like spear, like love, it need hand to hold it right. So me no tell you AI is evil, and me no say AI is savior. Me say this, you are still the hunter, you are still the builder, you are still the spark that makes idea come alive. No matter how smart box get, it never replace courage, it never replace soul. So rise, fellow thinker, ask questions, try tool, lead machine, don't follow it. Because last time caveman follow shiny thing without thinking, he married into terrible in-laws, so now you know, smart rock not demon, not God, not pet, it just tool with lightning brain and no bedtime. But like every sharp stick, it can build or break. Cavemen now respect AI, but also, me lock phone at night, no more 6-hour goat loop. No more asking chatbot if wife's still mad. If this hunt through firelight of knowledge made your brain tingle or made you laugh till stew came out nose, smash that like stone, hit the magic scribe stick. It help tribe grow. It tell platform gods that cavemen not just yell into void. And leave message in comments. What smart thing did AI tell you today? Or what dumb thing did it invent? Caveman once asked AI to help build fishing trap. It gave me IKEA instructions and emotional poem, fish still laughing. So yes, learn tools, keep brain sharp, stay chief of your own mind. Till next time, ooga booga.